So as we continue with topic 4 of chapter 10, we have here the conjugates that we're going to multiply. So we know it becomes this times this, the quantity squared, and then a positive 7 times a negative 7. This is going to give you here a negative 49. Now an interesting thing here, this is sort of okay, but since this is a 4 and this is a 2, we can put that index number as the denominator of that exponent, and then this becomes that to the 1/2 power, which is actually the 1/2 is the 2 goes there, and this becomes the answer. So now this was to the 4th power that we squared. This became a 1/2, and that's the way to represent the 1/2 power. In number 15, we see it's that special product of squaring a binomial. So when we square this, we just put the square there. We're going to multiply these two together and double it. So 2x times 50 is 100x that we're doubling, and we're just squaring this last term. So what happens? Well, when this index number, again, is 2, 2 divided by 2, take away the radical sign, this becomes 2x. This now, the square root of 100 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20, the square root of x. And again, this index number being 2, 2 divided by 2 is just 50. So that's our answer. Notice it could have been a little tedious, but by following that special way of foiling, we get an answer pretty quickly. All right, we're not doing every one, but a variety. So for something like this, it's so important that you copy the numbers down correctly, and then just use your FOIL. So cube root of 2 times the cube root of 4 gives you the cube root of 8. Now when you do your outers, it's 3, the cube root of 2. Your inners, negative 6, the cube root of 4. And then your last term, a negative 18. Now the cube root of 8 is actually 2. So 2 and a negative 18 give you a negative 16. And then these are not like terms, so you just bring them down. In number 18, again, it's a binomial by a binomial. You're going to FOIL. So your first gives you 2 times 4 is 8, x to the second, x to the third. So 8x to the third. Your outers, a negative cube root of 4x squared. Your inners, a positive third root of 4x squared. And then your last, a negative third root of 2x. Again, it's tedious that you have to keep track of your index numbers, your radicands, and then once you do the multiplication, check your work. And in this case, this is a perfect cube. So this becomes 2x. Your middle terms cancel out, and this is your answer. Again, all the answers for the others, the ones I'm skipping, are in the booklet, and hopefully this is helpful.